Hey y'all, so I'm stopping by and I'm trying to create some food videos. Yes, I already know I gotta watch my angles, but hopefully you can follow this recipe and try it out for yourself. So these are the ingredients that I'm using: seasoned salt, paprika, some tones, rosemary, garlic, some couple cheeses, some spinach, and all that other stuff. I'll make sure I have that included in the description box. So you want to use most of the dry seasonings that you on there and season your chicken. You can season your chicken however you see fit. This is just what I use. So when I'm done seasoning and sauteing the chicken, I just put it in a hot skillet with some butter. And I'm just going to put that all around, because you definitely want to cook the chicken, but you do not want to cook it all the way through. Just hear me out. So as you see, it's sizzling on one side. It's soaking up all that butter and deliciousness, and you can see all the herbs and spices on your chicken. That's how you know it's seasoned well. Then you just want to flip it over for like another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, like I said, we're not going to cook this all the way through. So you just going to let it soak up on the other side with all the good juiciness of the butter. Then you want to take like a pan. I have like a glass pan that I'm going to put in the oven, and this is me just putting the chicken in there. So now we're just going to go ahead with the vegetables. I have mushrooms, I have onions, I have red, yellow, and orange peppers. You can use whatever vegetable that you have in your refrigerator. I like to keep this dish very vibrant. So now I have a skillet with some butter and the same seasonings that I use on the chicken. All right. So you want to put that all in the skillet. Okay. Nothing like sauteing some veggies. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's just simmering. It's soaking up all that goodness, because you want each part of this dish to be delicious and well seasoned. Then you want to put some spinach in here. Make sure that you put a lot of spinach in here. As you know, when it cooks down, it does not look a lot, but you definitely want to make sure that you do have enough in this dish. So you just want to put that all together, blend it, stir it up so that they can all taste delicious together. I don't know about y'all, but I love me some sauteed vegetables, okay? And we need more of it in our diet. Then we're going to take some heavy cream, y'all. So this is basically like the star of the dish. So you put the heavy cream in there, and then you want to give that a good mix. Then you want to add your cheeses. So I have some shredded Parmesan, some grated Parmesan, some mozzarella. Then I put in 2 beef bouillon cubes. Beef, not the chicken kind, because the beef has more flavor, but it doesn't taste like beef. But it tastes really, really good. Now, I don't put a lot of salt in my dishes, because the bouillon cubes definitely do the job with the sodium. Okay, we got to watch our blood pressure. I'm getting older. Okay, so I got to, pick my battles. So you want to take that creamy goodness with the sauteed vegetables, and you want to pour it over the medium well chicken. So you want to cover that whole dish, and then you want to put it in the oven at 350. You want to leave it in there for about a good hour and a half or two. You feel like it's done. Now, when you take it out, do not stir it up and open up the oven. Just leave it be, because when you could cut this chicken with a spoon, and that's the trick. Do not touch your meat when it is in the oven, or it will get tough. I am chopping chicken breast with a spoon. That's how you know it's tender, y'all. Now, of course, you want to let this sit so that it can thicken up more. You can put some more cream or cream cheese in it if you want. I don't use cream cheese, but if that's your prerogative, use it. And I usually pair this with some rice. You could pair this with some noodles or some potatoes. But to me, it goes very well with some yellow rice. And I do have my yellow rice recipe, and I'll make sure that I include that in the description box below. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe. All right, bye.